I'm doing is loosen up the clamp. I bring my air compressor out here. Yeah, I can blow that all off of there. The less stuff I got in my dirt I got in my well, the better. All right. Okay. Go ahead and yank this off of here. Damn, lose my. Lose that if I can help it. All right, come on up. All right. Okay, here we go. Lay that right off to the. I got enough cable here. Come on, come with me. Get down there so it's out of my way for a minute. That's actually a good idea too. Alright, guys are out of my way, technically out of the mud. Now, let's see what we got now. Because it ain't that far down now. Okay. All right, my flashlight. In my other jacket. There we go. All right. I got 4 feet out of the way. All right, there we go. I can see water. Ain't that something? Wow. Man. Jesus. I gotta see if I can clean that. You see down in there now? Okay. That's what we got. Now there's a quick disconnect right there. I yank that, it's gonna break loose, and then we'll be pulling the pump up. And I'm hoping that I can get that to pop loose. And that was the whole point behind the T-bar, is to get it inside. You can see that black spot right now. I gotta see if I can clean that out, because that's threads. If I can get that in there, as you can see, it did start. So I need to see if I can clean that out somehow. Guess I'm gonna have to. I get my little air compressor out here and then hook that into a pipe, and then see if I can blow that out of there. Oh, nothing's easy. Nothing's easy. I've got a little trickle of water coming into the house, so we're not without water. It's just I can't run my geo, and we can only run one thing at a time, either the washer, or we run the dishwasher, or we're taking showers, one or the other. So that's where I'm at the moment. Unfortunately, you know, it's November and we're heading into December. This couldn't happen in the summertime. Yeah. Never. At least I've got 100 feet of extension cord, so I'm not lacking in there. Thank God it's that close. Okay. Oy. And you know, if I had to pay somebody to do this, oh man, that'd be a good thing. I'm just going to take my air compressor right about to here. I'm going to have to run. I'll have to run the hose, air hose the rest of the way, because I think I need to blow. If I can blow that socket out, I'm going to be able to get that fit. That is, I believe, 1.5 inches. I believe it's well, no, maybe not. Maybe it's a 3/4. I'll double check. I'll let you know. And I think the only thing is, I don't know if they're different on each one of those. All right, I got a little mini air compressor up here. Now I can do some spraying. I'm gonna find me a hose. I think I got an extension I can put down in that hole. I need to clean that. See if I can clean those threads up, so I'll be able to tighten that puppy right in there. I don't know why it's so looks kind of corroded in there to me. Design a I got a spray nozzle here. Now I just got to adapt. That might work. That might be enough. Okay. Might be enough, because that's all I need. 100 psi spraying down in there. Maybe I can get that, because it's about 3 feet. And all I did was a brake line and an air nozzle. Let's see if it'll do what I need it to do. Let's fire this puppy up. Woo! Maybe. That through my little noose there, because I don't want that freaking disappearing down that hole. Okay. Let's do what I wanted to do there. Now I just gotta find, you see down there, see if I can, there's dirt in that freaking thing, so there's some way I can get that out of there. Next step, find something long enough I can dig that hole, or dig the stuff out of that hole. Is I actually found something that I made it one time on a stick. I think what I'm going to do, get some duct tape, and I'm going to tape this to the end of that brake line that I got that's spraying air, and see if I can get it to go around inside that and clean that out. I'm gonna find my duct tape rods kicking around. Nope. Come on. We'll go. But it might be enough. I'll tape this to it. Actually, you know what I want to do? I'm not going to trust that like that. I got a hose clamp. Had a hose clamp. There you go. I got a hose clamp. I'm going to clamp this puppy to that because I don't want to, my luck, the tape will let go, and I'll drop that puppy down in there. Not something I want to happen. So, before I do that, let's do this. Pretty doggone. Kind of big. Hopefully that'll be enough. No, not doing any smaller. Hose clamps. Had some in the house. Because I was doing the kitchen hose. I don't know, right? We're just about. Maybe. How we doing? Ooh. Might have enough. Ooh. There you go. All right. That ain't going nowhere. Yeah, sweet. All right. And I'll top it off with duct tape. All right. Now, question is, will that reach down there and do what I want it to do? Oh, quit you leaking. There we go. All right. Let's see, hand back in there. Reach it. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at this freaking. Look at that stuff in there. Beautiful. Okay. I should be wearing glasses because I'm sure this sucker will lay me out. Blowing that stuff in my eye. Okay. Because we're talking 100 psi. Ready? Alright. Okay. That didn't do exactly as deep as I want it to go. So I think I gotta puncture it. Gonna find something that's gonna go in there. That wire brush is actually the right diameter. So now I just need to get something in there and break that up. Let me find the cap. There he is. Whole point is we don't want any I don't need any animals getting in there. That would be a bad thing. Alright, so there we are for tonight. Another day. Shoot. Yep, another day. Another day not getting that done. But at least I know what I'm up against. Because technically, what have I got? I got 30 feet. 30 feet to the bottom of the well. And I got 4 feet. I don't know where the pump is. But 30 feet to the bottom of the well. 19 to the water, to the water's edge. From the top, and then four feet from the top to right where that, oh my word, what is that doggone, where'd the manual go now? Crap. I think I can think of the name of that thing, but of course I can't. So I'm gonna clean up. Now I gotta clean up my pipe. Anyway, all right. So I'm happy. Get oil. At least I'm not out of heat because I have a forced air system that I've got adapted to it. I've got the original forced air I got. I adapted the geothermal to the ducting, and I left the forced air installed. So I was just kind of low on fuel oil because I haven't run the thing in over 4 years, maybe 5 years. And the oil has been in there that long, and it fired that up. But I've only got probably about 20 gallons. And you can burn a gallon in a couple hours. So I called for oil to be put in, and he came and he couldn't get the cover. Couldn't get the cover off the filling pipe. So I spent 20 minutes with a maul and pipe wrench and got it loose. So I'll be delivering oil again tomorrow. So anyway, all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and definitely subscribe. There's no telling what I'll be working on next. We'll catch you on the next Around the House.